My name's Jeremy Wisner. I work for Winbro Group Technologies. We're a company based in Leicestershire, quite close in fact to the Access headquarters in Loughborough. We started out as a machine tool company, designing and manufacturing machine tools. And there's also aftermarket sales involved with those machine tools. And then more recently that's been expanded to grow into parts manufacture for aerospace. I joined Winbro 3 years ago, and when I joined, FactoryMaster had just been acquired by Access, and at the time, I guess FactoryMaster was quite a small company, but Access have brought a kind of a much more professional approach to support with it. So that's been something that I've particularly sort of taken advantage of with the support portal and things like that. So it's been I think it's been a good experience. I've been encouraging our users to get on to the support portal, and recently they just started a series of webinars. There was one last week on FactoryMaster, which I've been able to email the link out to some of our users, and I've already had some positive feedback on that. So it kind of helps me to be able to sort of put that out into the business. Which then, it pays back because people are starting to understand the product better without me having to go out and tell every single one of them. So that's really helpful. I personally have had a reasonable amount to do with them because as a business we're quite local to Loughborough, and we've also been doing quite a lot with them in terms of developing the product. A couple of the releases that were spoken about today we've had some input to, because as a business we've needed to get the quality aspects of FactoryMaster better integrated with the production side, and so I've worked with some of the people behind the scenes in terms of developing that software and giving them the requirement, and generally working through that whole software development process. So that's been good.